Yes, student, today we're going to learn how to divide fraction. So our topic is division of fractions. Suppose we have to find, let us take some questions. Find number, first part, 7 divided by 2 by 5. We have to divide 7 by 2 by 5. So whenever we have to divide any whole number by a fraction, so what the calculation is, first of all we have to convert it in multiplication form. So whenever we convert the division into multiplication, what is the rule? We have to do the reciprocal of the second fraction. That means we have to interchange the places of numerator and denominator. Denominator will be written at the place of numerator and numerator at the place of denominator. Then keeping in mind the rule of multiplication, we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So here the denominator is 1, 7 into 5 will give 35, 2 into 1 will give 2. So this way we can solve the questions based on division. Let us solve some more questions. Second part, I am taking 3 by 5 divided by 1 upon 2. Both the numbers are in fractions. So how we will going to calculate it? First of all, we have to write the first number as it is, change the division into multiplication. As we have changed the division into multiplication, the second fraction is to be reciprocal. It means denominator will be written at the place of numerator and numerator at the place of denominator. So it will become 2 by 1. Now multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 1, 5. If you find there is any cancellation between numerator and denominator, then do it, otherwise leave up to here. This is the solution. Now let us do some more part. Third part I am taking, let us take a whole number and a mixed fraction. So first of all we have to change the mixed fraction into improper. 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 1 will give 16 upon 3. Now change the sign of division into multiplication and do the reciprocal of the second fraction, 3 by 16. Now multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 16 into 3 will give 6, 3, 18 and 1 into 16 will give 16. Find out numerator and denominator, find out the table by which numerator and denominator can be cancelled. So if we will going to identify, 18 comes in the table of 2 and 16 also comes in the table of 2. So we can try it out. 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16. Now further they cannot be divided by any of the tables, so 9 upon 18 is the answer. Fourth part, let us take first number as a mixed fraction, 5, 1 upon 6 divided by 9 by 2. Let us change it in improper form. 6, 5, 30. 30 plus 1 give 31 upon 6 divided by 9 upon 2. Now change the sign of division into multiplication and do the reciprocal of the second. It means exchanging the places of numerator and denominator. You can also find out the cancellation between numerator and denominator. By the table of 2, 6 can be cancelled, so we can cancel this way also, or 2 1 2, 2 3 6, or either you multiply numerator and denominator and then after that do the cancellation, or this way also you can do. Now 31 upon 3 into 1 upon 9. Now multiply numerator by numerator. 31 into 1 31, 3 into 9 will give 27. So further cancellation is not possible, so this is the answer. So this way we can find the division of fraction. So this point you have to keep in mind, that unless and until we are going to change the sign of division into multiplication, we cannot do any calculation. And when we change the sign of division into multiplication, then the second fraction, don't reverse the first fraction, second fraction is reciprocal. It means the places of numerator and denominator are exchanged. So this way student you can solve it. Thank you.